medical alert. Truck 33 crashed. We need him to be taken out of here. It's head injury.
Okay, where at?
Right about 93 in the rollers.
93 in the rollers, 33 crashed. Rescue 24, if you can head that way.
My name's Simon Herrmann. I'm out here from Australia. We're currently at PCI here in California. Got the TT 33 out here, Mick and Talbot's truck. I don't remember any of the day, but we had a big rollover. You can see my head's a little bit colourful. Yes, as we went over, the cage has come in a little bit and it's hit the front of my helmet here. Pushed in a little bit and we landed on our roof and went over it twice, I think. As I'm told, still don't remember any of it. Come over here just to race an American, can't remember any of it. I'm spewing. Helmet definitely did its job. Helmet's junk now, but it did its job, no worries at all. We're here at PCI, going to get a new helmet, get me sorted with a new one. Should be good to go again in the next week or two, we'll be racing. Just want to thank Mick and Talbot over here in America that own the team, but then all the other lads as well that are on the team over here. Yeah, just everyone involved. It's been so much fun over here. Even with the accident, it's been so much fun.